Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how I style my hair like this, how I get it so curly. To curl my hair like this, I like to use this curling one. It is very thin. It's like as thin as my pinky. And this one is called the original Chopstick Styler. And I have the box right here with me so you guys can see which one I'm talking about. It's this one right here. This claims to be the #1 best-selling extra skinny curling one, and I have to admit that is amazing, you guys. It is the best curling tool I've ever used in my whole life, and I must admit that this takes a long time to make. This hairstyle took me 1 hour. The problem is that I have a lot of hair, so therefore it was obvious that it was gonna take me a long time to get to where I wanted to, but I got there. This thing has an on and off switch. Like, we don't have any little thingy to control the temperature. It gets really hot. This thing doesn't come with a heat protecting glove, so I would recommend, if you're a beginner, to buy one yourself. You can get this off Amazon, eBay, or any beauty salon. So enough rambling, and let's get into the tutorial. The first thing that I do is apply a heat protectant. You always want to do this whenever you're styling your hair with heat. So the product that I like to use is the Batiste Smoothing Blow Dry Accelerator. I don't know how to say the word. Also, you want to make sure your hair is fully dry. Please don't do this if your hair is wet or a little bit damp. Don't, because you will end up frying your hair. As well, make sure you don't apply any oils before hairstyling, because again, we're gonna be using heat, and heat with oil will burn your hair. So all I'm doing right now is making sure my hair is nicely brushed through. All right, and then I'm going to apply my heat protectant. Now that that is done, I'm going to section my hair, so I'm going to part it in half. And I always like styling my left side first and then my right side. I don't know, it just works better for me, but whatever side you feel comfortable with, then you go ahead and do you, you know? I'm going to get the first section, so it's literally not too much hair, about this much. What I'm going to do is get my curling iron, put it behind me, and get it with my right hand. Now with my left hand, I'm gonna grab my hair, and you see this going downwards like that. I'm going to start wrapping the hair around the curling wand. And you just want to hold there about 5 seconds or so. So then you want to let go. And you got your first little curl. Moving on to the next section. Again, the less amount of hair, the better the curls will come out. For me, this is too much. That's too much, so I'm going to do it in half. So I want about that much. And the same thing again. This goes in the back. You wrap around your hair, and you want it to be as closest to your root as possible. That way it looks natural, it looks better. If you don't do it too close to your roots, it won't look that nice, okay? And you just want to let go now. I always start from the back and I work my way up. I'm going to show you guys this one last time. So I'm gonna keep doing the rest of my hair, and then I'll show you how to do the right side, because you do need to do it a little bit different. Okay guys, so I am finished with the back of the hair of my right side, but I wanted to show you guys how to do the right side because it's different to the left side. Get this behind you, and we're going to put it on top. You want to make sure it's close to your root. be very careful because this position will literally burn your face. So you really want to pay attention to what you're doing. Once it's done, you let go and your curl is done. So I'm going to repeat this again, sectioning the hair, and then the hair will go on top of the curling wand. Just wait 5 seconds. So guys, this is how I look like. Just kidding. Don't get scared. This is not how your hair is gonna look like. At the moment, it's like puffy. And what I'm going to do is let the hair cool down. So I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes to start kind of styling it, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I do next. 10 minutes has passed by, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do now. I'm gonna be taking an anti-freeze hydrating oil. This one right here is from Organics. I spritz some on my hand, about 3 spritz. So just running this through my hair, and I apply it all the way up, all the way down. You don't have to do this step, but I personally do it because I have applied a lot of heat to my hair and I want to kind of hydrate it more. I want to leave a treatment on. So the oil that I'm going to be using is the Healing Oil Treatment by Macadamian Natural Oil. This is so good, you guys. And I'm literally going to take 1 pump or 2, why not? And we're going to start applying it all over our hair. And at the same time, I'm starting to open up those curls a little bit. This is the time where I'm going to be styling the hair. I know it looks hideous, but trust me, it will look so good in a minute. So this is how my hair looks like after all that effort. Believe me guys, it was so worth it. I am in love with my hair, and if you buy this product, leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am so happy to be back with this video for you guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys on my next one.